Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale project timelines with Asana. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your Asana dashboard. Locate the project you want to scale timelines for. Click on the project to open its details. In the project view, select the timeline tab. This will display your project tasks along a visual timeline. To adjust a task's duration, click on the taskbar in the timeline. Drag the ends of the taskbar to extend or shorten its duration. To move a task, click and drag it along the timeline. If you need to reorder tasks, simply drag them up or down. You can also establish task dependencies by clicking on the task. Then, hover over the task you want to link it to. A link icon will appear. Click it to create a dependency. This will help visualize which tasks rely on one another. Consider using the calendar view for an alternative perspective. This can provide clarity on due dates and upcoming deadlines. For larger projects, break tasks into subtasks. Assign these subtasks to team members as necessary. To add new tasks, click the plus Add Task button. Fill in the task details and assign a due date. Use the timeline settings to adjust the view to your preference. You can set milestones to mark crucial project phases. Regularly review and adjust timelines as the project progresses. Communicate any changes with your team promptly. This ensures everyone stays on the same page. Finally, utilize Asana's reporting features to monitor progress. Review the project regularly to ensure timelines are being met. This will help identify bottlenecks and address them proactively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.